sending shots, these niggas they old. That boy rare, you know that he told. Like a granddad, I walk with that pole. Nike check from my head to my toe. Wait.
Alright guys, I'm back after 7 days of a break that wasn't something I wanted to do but had a strike, but we're back in business now, so hopefully you guys are ready to see some videos for like 2-3 months back to back uploads. That's the goal. And you already know I had to add a G8 for the first video back because, you know,
you must be out your fucking
bias,
mind, boy.
This is definitely Houston, Texas. This screams Houston, Texas. Has to have tinted windows. Other than that, it's mint. Although this looks like something I would draw as a third grader, but it's mint. This is why I couldn't be a truck driver. I wouldn't even attempt this. I would rather just park up top and just walk every pallet case or whatever to the drop-off section or load-out dock, whatever you want to call it. Because I'm not backing up. You got me messed up. You think I'm going to back up in that? This thing's mint. And it's a bag that's just nasty. This thing looks a little out of place. Like, it's too lifted. Copo Camaros, these things are nasty. Pretty sure this is like the only non street legal car, or it doesn't get sold with a VIN or something crazy.
The boss man says this morning, he says, hey, you think maybe you could go one day without fucking up? I said, absolutely, boss man.
I'm not a big Mopar fan, but I mean Hellcats, that one in the interior of Hellcats, nasty. I would just let the Z stay, honestly. Got the entrance check. What's your guys' opinions on step side trucks? I'm 50-50 on them.
If you never fuck around, you'll never find out. So make sure you fuck around every once in a while.
That dude probably found out how to talk to Jesus Christ himself.
Oh!
And that woman's about to find out as well. One of the toughest cars. I mean, it looks like, I think that's an Infiniti, Nissan, basically the same thing. Those things, you can't kill them. I like the Lightning McQueen like runoff. That's great. Dude's ad probably says never been beat on. It's just been abused. This sounds like a Supra, I think. Pretty sure, yep, it's a Ford Lightning. Like, going back to the step sides, this is a step side I would not think twice about getting. These things look phenomenal. Definitely ahead of their time. What you guys think? But hopefully you guys like my first video back in 7 days. Until next time, peace out, guys.